Shriman Maharaja Sanajaoba, Leishemba.
Thank you, Madam. My special mention is concern over repeated disturbance of Indo-Myanmar border fencing along Manipur sector. Madam, India shares a 1,643 km long border with Myanmar passing four northeast states, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur and Mizoram. And Manipur alone shares around 398 kilometers with Myanmar. Previously, there was no border fencing and a free movement regime was implemented along this border. But due to the rise in insurgent activities, cross-border infiltration, drug smuggling, and other illegal activities, the Government of India started border fencing in war footing, and as of September 2024, more than 30 kilometers long border fencing work had already completed, and the free movement regime has also been scrapped. However, the highest number of disturbances related to border fencing are being reported in Manipur sector. In December 2025, iron fencing poles at the border of Sandel district, Manipur, were cut twice. Again, similar incidents were reported along the borders of Tenopal district, Manipur, in August 2025. And equipment used for fencing constructions were also found stolen. Again, in January 2026, 47 iron poles of approximately 150 meters of fencing were found damaged at the border of Sandel district. Furthermore, up to the end of February 2026, 11 IED were detected and defused along the Indo-Myanmar border in Tenopal district, Manipur. These incidents are willful disturbance posing serious challenges to the national security. I urge the government to thoroughly examine the matter and take appropriate and timely action so that the border fencing work could be continued without any hindrance and completed at the earliest. Thank you, Madam.